In vintage resale, wanted to bring you a quick video on this quick Smith Corona manual typewriter, going through all the keys. They're all fully functional. The typewriter ribbon is weak. It's been in storage for a while, so it's light, but it is coming up a little bit. It needs a new ribbon. All the keys function. They're a bit stiff. They've been in storage for a while, so the more you press it, the more loose the keys become. Not a typing expert here. I'm trying to do this with one hand as I press. I have noticed that when it stays in storage and I bring it out, these keys on the end, the plus, the P, and these keys going down this road, they do tend to get stuck for a while, but then the more you press them, the more loose they become. And this is after storage, so I don't know if it's from being set upright, if it's being set vertically, or what the situation is with that. But they will stick for a little bit as you type, but they will come back to function. Like this, the plus key, if you press two at once, they will get stuck, as in the old days. You have to press them, but this key is the one that gets stuck most often, the plus equal sign. But it will come back as you use it. The more you use it, the more it functions. But otherwise, this is the space bar, return. This used to be what, indent. I forgot my keyboard, how they what it was. Shift lock. So this is it. All the keys are functioning. This is what it looks like on the inside. Oops, pressed too many keys at once there. Okay, there we go. That's it. Thanks for looking. Have a great day.